Nuclear energy is a form of energy that is produced through the process of nuclear reactions, specifically nuclear fission or nuclear fusion. These reactions release a tremendous amount of energy from the nucleus of an atom. Nuclear energy has the potential to generate large amounts of electricity with relatively low greenhouse gas emissions, making it an important option in the global energy mix. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the process of splitting the nucleus of an atom into two smaller nuclei, along with the release of energy and several neutrons. This process can occur spontaneously in certain radioactive materials or can be induced by bombarding the nucleus with neutrons. The energy released during nuclear fission comes from the conversion of a small fraction of the atom's mass into energy, as described by Einstein's famous equation, E=mc². In a nuclear fission reactor, the most commonly used fuel is uranium-235, or plutonium-239, These fuel rods are placed in a controlled environment within a reactor core. When a neutron collides with the nucleus of a fuel atom, it can induce a fission reaction, releasing a significant amount of heat energy and additional neutrons. The released heat is used to produce steam, which drives turbines connected to generators, producing electricity. Nuclear power plants are designed with multiple safety features to ensure the controlled and safe operation of the reactor and to prevent the release of radioactive materials into the environment. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a process in which two light atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, releasing an enormous amount of energy. This is the process that powers the Sun and other stars. Unlike nuclear fission, nuclear fusion requires extremely high temperatures and pressures to overcome the electrostatic repulsion between positively charged atomic nuclei. Achieving sustained and controlled nuclear fusion on Earth has proven to be technologically challenging. The extreme conditions required for fusion are difficult to maintain and control, and scientists and engineers have been working on developing fusion reactors that can harness this process for practical energy production. If successful, nuclear fusion could offer a nearly limitless and clean energy source with minimal long-lived radioactive waste. Benefits of nuclear energy. Low greenhouse gas emissions. Nuclear energy produces very low greenhouse gas emissions during electricity generation, making it a potential solution for mitigating climate change. High energy density. Nuclear energy has a high energy density, meaning a small amount of nuclear fuel can produce a large amount of energy, reducing the need for frequent refueling. Reliability. Nuclear power plants can operate continuously for long periods without interruption, providing a stable source of electricity. Reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Nuclear power can help reduce reliance on fossil fuels like coal and natural gas, which are associated with air pollution and environmental degradation. Challenges of nuclear energy. Radioactive waste. The spent fuel and other byproducts of nuclear fission are radioactive and need to be safely stored and managed for long periods to prevent environmental contamination. Safety concerns. While modern nuclear power plants have advanced safety features, concerns about reactor accidents and the release of radioactive materials remain. Nuclear proliferation. The materials and knowledge used in nuclear energy can also be potentially misused for nuclear weapons development. High initial costs. Building and decommissioning nuclear power plants can be expensive, and long construction times can lead to cost overruns. Public perception. Public perception of nuclear energy is often mixed due to concerns about safety, waste disposal, and the potential for catastrophic accidents. In summary, nuclear energy is a complex and powerful source of electricity generation that has both potential benefits and challenges. Advances in technology and safety measures continue to shape its role in the global energy landscape.